You know, I think hands down, painting the exterior of your home is probably the most daunting project known to man. So you want to make sure when you tackle it that you've got a good quality paint. Well, take a look at the new line that BEHR has come out with. This is called their Marquee line. Now, this is actually an exterior latex enamel paint. So it's perfect for this application. Now, it is a primer and paint all in one, so you eliminate one step right there. But what makes this so unique is that it's more resistant to dirt and more resistant to fading. Well, how does it make it so resistant to dirt? It's got these specialized polymers that cross-link together to create a nice, tough surface so dirt can't penetrate that. But it also has a technologically advanced UVA protection layer on it as well, so it's less likely to fade. So what does that all mean for you? First of all, you only have to have one application for it because the primer and the paint is combined. It's resistant to all of these things, so you're not going to have to paint the house more often than you want to.